I'm Chris Gaal, and I've been practicing law in this community for over 20 years. About half that time as the elected prosecutor and half as an attorney in private practice, representing clients doing primarily criminal defense cases. And I also handled a broad range of civil cases in family law, divorce, visitation, custody, and in personal injury, contracts, and immigration law. And that experience also includes doing court-appointed public defender cases. So I understand the importance of our constitutional rights, the challenge of representing clients, including indigent clients, and defending their rights, and the importance of representing the public interest as a public servant and community leader. I've seen our justice system from many different perspectives, and I believe that balance and broad diversity of experience is important to effectively serve our community as a judge. I've dedicated my career to public service, first on the Bloomington City Council for 2 terms, and then as the elected prosecuting attorney for 3 terms. Now I'm running for judge to continue that progressive commitment. As prosecutor, I worked hard to develop a progressive approach to public safety that was a good fit for this community. I focused on prevention and education, building valuable community partnerships, and creating new resources to address important public safety issues. Those efforts had a positive impact on the quality of life in this community. My accomplishments include creating a sexual assault response team, working with others to develop a sexual assault nurse examiner program and a pediatric version of that program, opening the doors of Susie's Place Child Advocacy Center, developing a pharmaceutical safe disposal program, promoting dropout prevention efforts, creating a new mental health court, developing a volunteer guardianship program to assist incapacitated adults unable to care for themselves, and working to improve adult protective services in the state of Indiana and achieving significant breakthroughs in that effort. And most recently, helping to create a new nurse-family partnership program that will have significant positive impacts for years to come. My work has been recognized with several awards, including a 2016 award from the Community Justice and Mediation Center, CJAM, for contributions to justice that heal and restore the Monroe County community. The 2010 Outstanding Legal Professional Award from the Indiana Coalition Against Sexual Assault, and the 2009 Visionary Leader Award from the Greater Bloomington Chamber of Commerce. I know in my experience something that many of you have probably also realized, that Monroe County is different than other places in Indiana. And our justice system, like our community, is also different. I know because I've practiced in the court systems in those other counties, and I've seen how things work there. We have a unique, progressive culture in our local court system. We focus on rehabilitation. We focus on treatment for drug and alcohol addictions. We focus on mental health treatment. We focus on problem-solving resources. We focus on prevention and community collaboration. That focus is not something that happens automatically. It's not something that we can just take for granted. That progressive culture in our local justice system is something that we have to work for and keep working on, because that work is never done. And it makes a difference who the people are that are in that justice system and whether they understand and reflect those progressive values. Whether those people will not only defend those values, but continue the work to build on that progressive culture for the future. I share the progressive values of this community. Over the years, I've worked hard to make our justice system reflect those values and made significant contributions. I will continue to reflect those values as a member of the Board of Judges, where I will work with others in the community to create resources and collaborations that will make a difference for improving the quality of justice in our community. There are 3 judges retiring in 2018, so there's a passing of the torch going on right now in our local court system. That change represents a significant loss of knowledge and experience. I have the background, both as a legal professional and a progressive community leader, to ensure that our court system will continue to reflect the values of our community. As a member of the Board of Judges, I will continue to develop evidence-based, problem-solving approaches to better address issues such as drug and alcohol addictions and mental health treatment. These are difficult problems where the traditional approach is often unable to effectively address the underlying issues. I will support an innovative, problem-solving, community-based approach that can get results. I take issues of fairness and justice seriously. As a judge, I pledge that I will listen, I will treat people with respect. I will make decisions impartially based on the evidence presented in each case and the rule of law, and I will do my best to ensure that everyone is treated fairly and equally in our local court system. That's why I ask for your support as the Democratic candidate for judge in Seat 2. Thank you.